10:02 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I want to thank you for tuning in. I want to thank everybody who tuned into that extremely long live stream last night. We were live from, what was it, 1:30 or 1 o'clock until like 2:45, or 12 to 2:45. It was like a 2-hour and 45-minute live stream. We talked about market structure. We talked about how it was somewhat leaning towards a bear trap at the time, which it's, you know, because of the way it was. I'll show you in the 30. Let me get rid of some of this. Sorry, guys, I was up late, obviously. So we got 39,316 resistance. We've got 38,292 down at the bottom as support. We've got a level right here at 38,803 that we're a little bit lower than that. We're trading in between. So, like, we can raise this, like, add a little area here, but we don't really want to ruin the conformity of this pattern. That's the problem. So we're coming through in the 30, the 4-hour time frame. It still, to me, looks like we still need to go up another layer. I'm pegging, if it goes up, if we can break through these areas around 41,803 or that 40,796. XRP's at 76,420. XRP to me as well is it's getting either it's capped out or it's going to go up to that immediate next level and it's going to overachieve and it's going to get up to that 804 and double top there. That's what it looks like to me. Like I said, I could be completely off base and it could just go down because we're in that point now where, you know, we're starting to get into a spot now where I think today's trades you're going to want to really pay attention to. And then if something were to happen and you're in a trade today, you know, we got to watch for tomorrow because the futures opens. Some of you know I took a spell coin trade yesterday at like 426, 427 area. As it moved but 1% or 2, but I'm playing it on that's the reversal candle. It had made a move, well, it made a move up prematurely yesterday and then it just came back down with the market after. So after it made that move up and then came down with the market back to the 4.2 area, I decided, you know what? It's in a good consolidation area, nice support here. In the daily time frame, it's oversold. And I would be playing a bounce to 553. Try to let it retest the daily time frame and the 20-day just to get rejected. If it wants to, or if it really wants to make a nice little push here, 7.7, but I don't see that. I see 5.5 or maybe even there's a potential here even for this trade to go from like a 10% trade to 4.66 and it doesn't even get to 5.5. Like that's why I thought this was an intriguing trade. Because there's essentially a 10% move built in there just to get to the 200-day, right? Or that little resistance right there. According to this resistance on this pattern if you're in the low end. So that's what we're seeing here, guys. We got resistance here at 439,113. If this pushes up over it and uses this area as support, this could be a nice little push today on Spell Coin. Can't say anything's guaranteed. All I was saying yesterday was it's a bear trap, and the day before we talked about how we were going through bullish divergences before they happened in the 30-minute. And we pulled through them, so this seems to be the finishing off of those bullish divergences in longer time frames. So that's what I would be looking at. So you have 76,217 you're trying to get over, but we'll just go like this. This is as clear as I can be with XRP. So right now, 798 is the resistance. 75 cents is support. You break below 75, you got 72.2, and then you know if you don't hold that, it's pretty steep from 69 to 64. I actually like it better like this now that the pattern's shifted a little bit. So that would be your supports underneath. With XLM, it came up to 204. You've got that as resistance. You've got support at 194. If it can hold this 194, it's actually a little lower than that, so, but that's close enough. But it looks like we still want to continue this pattern, finish it off. So we're going to see what happens. But you see in the 30-minute when the volume was crashing and the price was crashing, the volume was also crashing, which is a sign that we don't have enough sellers to push past this area yet. And then DGB. We're bouncing off the 2062 support. We got 2122 resistance. We've got some room still here that we can try to come up a little bit higher. Try to push this at minimum 2178, which we're getting closer to that. But I think we're going to be pushing just a tiny bit higher as long as the market cooperates. And if you guys are wondering, this is the cloud, the Ichimoku CFX. We were doing the live stream. I was about 2 hours in, and he brought it up. So we put it on to see where the pattern direction is indicating we're going. And it's pretty amazing the way it's been bouncing around it. So that's what we're looking at. That's what I'm feeling. Get past 2122, or not 2122. 2151 now. You got support at 2062, which I want to bring it down just a tad to hit the wick. So 2046 support, 2151 resistance to get out of this level on the 30-minute. That's a floating moving candlestick or moving resistance area. I'm moving along and trying to move with the moving averages and yada, yada, yada. So you don't want to fall between 2046, but if you break 2151, you've got a pretty steady move to 2258. Make sure to hit that like button, turn that bell notification to all, and subscribe to the channel or new or returning. Join Tom's Army for $9.99 a month. So when I do a 2.5 hour live stream randomly at 1 a.m., you can comment because you have to be a part of Tom's Army to comment. Also, you get the exclusive Telegram for free. Whether that entitles you to, if you join Tom's Army, I give you the Telegram for free. It's just that simple. So we've got this, and then also you get the chance to join my classes for free, but you have to be in the Telegram, which you have to join Tom's Army to get the Telegram, and to get the Telegram, you have to have the Telegram to join the classes. It's a good way to keep spam out, and then all I ask for the 1 hour class is a $5 donation. That's right, no monthly fees of hundreds of dollars. I'm going to keep you in the right. Make sure to hit that like button, hashtag be better, do better, hashtag fun assassins. Remember, help one person each and every day, because if you don't do your part and I don't do my part, who's going to do their part? And you know who suffers for that? The kids.